Roger.
Roger. Yourself. If you are first time, you are unsure, you can try my chef recommendation for 2-person, and you get to enjoy all the famous food here.
Oh, wow.
So let me give you a preview of the food. Number 2, you have the vegetable. The juhucha is a traditional Nyonya vegetable, and we are very famous for this. And number 3, you get to enjoy a fish maw soup. Number 4, you can select one type of chicken. We have Kapitan chicken, fried chicken, and the braised chicken. You select one. Then we have the fish cake as well as the shrimp sambal. You pick one. Okay, this is the dried shrimp sambal. It's a finger food. You can just eat it like that, or you can just eat it with the rice. The black soy chicken or the braised chicken. They're cooked with this is like cinnamon and star anise. They're fabulous vegetable. You eat it. You take the appetizer, you put it on the leaf. You take the vegetable inside, and then you roll it into a roll and then enjoy in 2 bites. And that's the fish maw soup. Okay.
This is made from vegetable. Where for you eat like this, and you have a little bit this sauce. Low, and you can have 2 bites, not 1 bite.
2 bites. You like
I like it. This is interesting. Surprise and interest. Similar culture. This is a shrimp. In Thailand, they call Nam Pik Gung. Hello in Thailand. Would you like to? So yummy favorite. Like gang som in Thailand. I can touch smell of her.
What I got was the kaffir lime leaf flavor. So the fish is steamed fish and Nyonya Assam sauce. Tu oi ke is the chicken and black soy sauce. He had the Nyonya special was sambal hebi.
Then we will conclude the special with the sticky rice or the red bean. And the food for the 2-person is capped at 79, offers you great value.